Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best guitar kits is probably one of the most crucial decisions for aspiring guitarists, setting the stage for a lifelong musical journey or a quick disappointment. Choosing the right kit can mean the difference between frustration and effortless learning, impacting your motivation and progress significantly. A well-curated kit provides everything you need: guitar, amp, cable, picks, and tuner, ensuring a smooth start to your musical adventure, while a poor choice can lead to damaged equipment, bad habits, and ultimately, giving up on your dreams. Number 5. Best Choice 39 inches Electric Guitar Kit. Get ready to rock. Everything you need to start playing is included in this complete kit. Let's take a closer look. It's custom designed for beginners and intermediate players. Just unpack it and start making music. This kit has it all: amplifier, case, extra strings, a pick, whammy bar, and strap. You won't need to buy anything else. It boasts a quality paint finish, custom tuning pegs, and accented binding for a truly stylish look. Experiment with different musical styles. Adjust the sound to play anything from blues to rock. The tremolo system lets you bend the pitch and add cool effects. It's handcrafted with a rosewood fretboard and maple neck for a rich, quintessential rock tone. The 3 single-coil pickups deliver amazing sound. This full-size guitar measures 39 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 2 inches in height. It's the perfect size for comfortable playing. What we like. It includes everything you need to start playing right away. It boasts a stylish look that will turn heads, and it delivers a rich, quintessential rock tone. If you're a beginner who wants a complete package with great aesthetics and sound, this is the one for you. What people say. The guitar itself seems well built and mechanically solid. The color is slightly different from the picture, but very beautiful. The unit comes in a very well packaged box which is wrapped in a standard Amazon shipping box. For those of you old enough to remember the days before ebooks, it's about the size of a large Oxford dictionary or a couple of encyclopedia volumes back to back. It's only about 3 thick, which makes it a great practice amp. Number 4. Best Choice Electric Guitar Kit. Get ready to rock. Everything you need to start playing is included in this complete kit. Let's take a closer look. It's custom designed for beginners and intermediate players. Just unpack it and start making music. This kit has it all: amplifier, case, extra strings, a pick, whammy bar, and strap. You won't need to buy anything else. It boasts a beautiful paint finish, custom tuning pegs, and accented binding. It looks as good as it sounds. Experiment with different music styles. The adjustable sound and tremolo bridge let you create unique sounds. The whammy bar adds even more effects. It's handcrafted with a rosewood fretboard and maple neck for a rich, rock sound. The 3 pickups ensure versatility. This full-size guitar measures 39 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 2 inches in height. It's ready for your musical journey. What we like. This kit contains all the necessary accessories. It features an attractive design that will appeal to many, and it produces a high-quality sound. If you are looking for a stylish and complete beginner kit with excellent sound, this is a great choice. What people say. The guitar itself seems well built and mechanically solid. The color is slightly different from the picture, but very beautiful. The unit comes in a very well packaged box which is wrapped in a standard Amazon shipping box. For those of you old enough to remember the days before ebooks, it's about the size of a large Oxford dictionary or a couple of encyclopedia volumes back to back. It's only about 3 thick, which makes it a great practice amp. Number 3. Donner DST 100S Electric Guitar Kit. Get ready to rock. This kit has everything you need to start your musical journey. Let's take a closer look. It features 3 powerful pickups, offering incredible versatility. You'll be able to play blues, rock, and so much more. The neck is crafted from Canadian maple, providing a smooth and comfortable playing experience. It's designed for both beginners and experienced players. With 22 smooth frets, it's easy to create expressive melodies and chords. You'll love the feel of this guitar. Everything is included to get you started immediately. Amplifier, bag, capo, strap, extra strings, tuner, cable, and picks are all part of the package. Online lessons are also available. The included mini amp is perfect for practice. It has headphone and AUX inputs, so you can jam along with your favorite music or practice quietly. What we like. It offers a wide range of sounds thanks to its HSS pickups, it features a comfortable neck profile ideal for beginners, and it comes with everything you need to start playing immediately. If you want versatility, comfort, and a comprehensive package, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The guitar is very nice looking and this one has the HSS configuration which is great. It has a very nice tone, good weight to it, the tuners are great. The amp is excellent for a beginner guitarist and sound better than I thought it would. Number 2. Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. It's the perfect instrument for aspiring musicians of all ages. This kit has everything you need to start your musical journey. This 3/4 size guitar is ideal for small hands and comfortable for lessons, practice, or performances. It's the perfect size for beginners and children. It boasts handcrafted construction with a linden wood body, a birch headstock, and a beautifully polished finish. You'll appreciate the attention to detail. This isn't just a guitar, it's a complete set. It includes a gig bag, extra strings, picks, a cleaning cloth, and even a gift card. Everything you need to get started is included. Whether you're a child or an adult, this guitar is designed for ease of play. Unpack it, tune it up, and start making music right away. With a 36-inch length, 18 frets, and nylon strings, it offers a comfortable and enjoyable playing experience. The linden wood body provides a warm, rich tone. What we like. Its smaller size is perfect for kids and those with smaller hands, it's beautifully handcrafted with high-quality materials, and it's ideal for beginners of all ages. If you are a child or adult with smaller hands or are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-play acoustic guitar, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes with the guitar and it is nicely made too, it doesn't feel cheap. The clip-on tuner allows you to get it ready to play, right out of the box. Minimal tuning is required to start playing. I like having the storage bag, making it easier to take anywhere, along with all the accessories. The other accessories include a strap, some picks, spare strings and a polishing cloth. The guitar that I bought has the matte finish and it is beautiful and super smooth feeling. It is a nice guitar to hold and play. It has nice weight and balance. Most importantly, it sounds good and holds its tune. It's solid, with nice tone and a neck width length he can handle. The intonation is very good for the price, just a few cents off at the octave. There were no buzzes, and the nut had no sharp edges to nick the strings. Number 1. ZENY 39 Electric Guitar Pack. It's time to unleash your inner rock star. This complete guitar pack has everything you need to start playing. This beginner-friendly electric guitar comes with all the accessories you need. Just unpack and start jamming. It boasts an all-wood body for rich tone and a smooth, attractive finish. The maple neck with truss rod ensures lasting playability. It includes a built-in amplifier, so you can plug in and start rocking right away. No extra equipment needed. The included nylon case provides excellent protection for your guitar during transport and storage. Take it anywhere. Extra strings, a strap, cable, and picks are all included. You'll have everything you need to start playing immediately. It makes an ideal gift for any occasion. Give the gift of music this holiday season. What we like. It comes ready to play straight out of the box, it includes a convenient carrying case for easy transport, and it's made of high-quality all-wood construction. If you're a beginner who wants a simple, portable, and well-made electric guitar, this is a great option. What people say. The sound is incredible, clear, powerful and versatile, perfect for different musical styles. The pickups capture the nuances very well, and the neck is comfortable, ideal for both beginners and experienced musicians. It came with an amp, a vinyl case, picks and extra cords in case one breaks. The build quality and finish are better, but with a few tweaks this guitar sounds absolutely amazing. The amp that comes with it is as cheap as you might imagine, but it works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.